Recently, Gujarat was shaken by a devastating bridge collapse, a tragedy resulting in loss of lives and raising urgent questions about infrastructure safety. Such incidents remind us that a single oversight in inspection can cost lives and disrupt entire communities. Traditional inspection methods are no longer enough. That's why we are bringing the best of expertise and technology into bridge safety inspections. Recently, our AI system inspected a bridge and promptly identified structural defects, problems that would have posed serious risks if left unnoticed. India's first AI-driven bridge inspection, an innovative system that combines drone imagery, deep learning analysis, and real-time reporting, detecting problems early to prevent another disaster. We are setting new standards to protect lives, save infrastructure, and give peace of mind to everyone on the road. Let's build a safer, smarter and greener future by embracing innovation.